Hello guys, welcome to the new vlog. So today I'm gonna create the vlog in English. I don't know how it came to my mind, but I started my day by watching an English vlog. Maybe that's why I thought of creating the vlog in English. So right now it's 7:30 a.m. in the morning. Now I'm gonna freshen up. Then I will go to my dadi's place to have breakfast. Guys, today it's gonna be a relaxing day because it's a Sunday today. I do not have much work to do, so I'm gonna spend time today with my family. Let me just freshen up, guys. There is no one in the house. You feel quite weird because I'm not used to this kind of big house, staying alone. So yeah, but I have to manage it because we are gonna be in this house for the next 10 to 15 days until we get a new house in Shivdi. Guys, so I freshened up and now I'm gonna go out and go to my dadi's place and have breakfast. All those who do not know, we have rented this apartment, but it's been only 10 to 15 days and we have decided to not live at this place. So we are kind of on a notice period. We have told the owner that we are gonna vacate this house in 1 month time. So I'm gonna be staying in this house for the next 10 to 15 days until and unless we get a room or a house in Shivdi. Hey guys, so I have reached Shivdi. You can see behind me our shop, and let me just show you our house as well. So it's close to our shop. This is where we stay, and this is the bridge. Let me show you the space around us. This is the bridge. Because of this bridge, our house is going to be demolished, and we have to vacate our house, guys. You can see some part of our society has been demolished, and so guys, this is the place where I still stay. We have not vacated the room, but you can see the place around us has been demolished. This is my home. Guys, you can see our house is full messy because we're gonna have to vacate the house anytime soon. Guys, here I am at my dadi's place. I bought this cheese cube while coming. So I'm gonna add this cheese in this breakfast to make this breakfast more healthy and more tasty. So guys, it's been what 10 to 15 days. I have not eaten a healthy breakfast of my dadi, and today I'm gonna enjoy it. So I'm done with the process. I have put cheese on it and I'm gonna just mix up and have it. Guys, I'm done with my breakfast. Now I'm gonna go back to our rented apartment. There I'm gonna have a shower and then come back again. Guys, I'm back at home. It's 10 a.m. in the morning. Now I'm gonna do some editing. Then I'm gonna take a shower. Then back to Shivdi where my dadi stays. So guys, right now I'm at Shivdi. So here's my friend Harsh. You must have seen his wedding vlog.
Video, wedding vlog.
So how is your
Wedding
marriage
life.
life? Yeah.
It's going perfectly fine.
It should be because it's a love marriage, guys.
Doesn't matter, but yeah, it's till now it's good. I don't know.
He's also been to honey.
We'll make one vlog 2 weeks later. Then we'll get to know how it's going.
Okay. Who's gonna make?
We'll make again.
About what? About marriage.
About
okay.
marriage. I'll give the proper review at that time. Now in 1 week I cannot judge anything.
No, he's been in relationship for 8 years, guys.
8 years means 8 years of friendship, 2 to 3 years of relationship. Yeah.
I am 100% sure it's gonna be perfectly fine after 60 years also.
Hope so.
So,
Fingers crossed, yes.
so guys, right now I have come at my friend's place. His brother has opened a shop. So here's the shop. It's a clothing shop. So today, right now they are doing puja and all, and after that the shop will be open.
The address of this shop is TJ Road, opposite to Dosti Flamingo. So do come and try and get some good outfit for yourself.
And it's at Shivdi, guys.
It's in Shivdi, yeah.
सौरभ जोशी की शादी होगी है।
देखा तू देखा ब्लॉग उसका?
हाँ, कल Guys, we are having Shira, now we are eating. रोज को नहीं।
भाई इसने बोला था मैं शीरा खाऊंगा पर इसने खाया नहीं. क्या रे?
खाना देखो ना।
1 स्पून खाया शीरा. तेरे वजह से देख आई को खाना पड़ रहा है शीरा.
आई तो खाती भी।
आई नहीं खाती शीरा, तेरे वजह से खाना पड़ रहा है.
हाँ, तो तूने भी छोड़ दिया ना। तो खाना शीरा।
मैं आधा खाने वाला था, मैंने मेरा आधा खाया, तू तेरा आधा.
मेरा आधा खाया।
नहीं तूने 2 स्पून खाया सिर्फ.
4 खाया।
So guys, right now we are at Lal Bagh. We have come here to take lunch. So not for me, but my friend. He does not have his mom at home, so he's come here to take lunch. Here's the lunch home. Here you get everything at cheap as compared to hotels and restaurants.
गाइस आज मेरे को सपने में आया कि मेरे दुकान पे पास कुणाली जोशी आई। मतलब अजीब ही लगा, मेरे से हाथ मिला रहे, मैंने उसको हमारी चैनल का नाम बताया।
So here's my friend, guys. He's taken his lunch. ये देखिए मेरी प्रिय माँ और उनका प्रिय डब्बा मिठाई का। बोलती है मुझे पतला होना है और जो चुपचाप मिठाई लेके आती है और खाती है। हाँ, कैसे पतले हुए तुम जब मिठाई खाते हो? हमें क्या करत? Hey guys, I'm back at home. I had my lunch at mummy's place, and yeah, now I'm gonna take a nap because it's 2 in the afternoon, and before that I'm gonna do some editings, watch some vlogs, and just take a nap and freshen up, then again go to Shivdi. My life has become tough, man. Like I have to travel from Vadala to Shivdi at least 3 to 4 times in a day. So it's become tough, but that's how it is. You have to accept it, guys. Hey guys, it's 5 in the evening and I took 2 hours of good nap. I'm feeling completely fresh now. So it's time for me to get freshen up and then head to Dadi's place. All set to go Shivdi again.
काजी खुशी में आवाज आवाज
मेरी शादी फिक्स हो गई है।
गाइस ये देखिए हमारे घर पे कौन आई है, हमारी प्रिय दादी और वंश। गाइस दादी हैज कम हियर फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम एवर सिंस वी रेंटेड दिस अपार्टमेंट। चलो गाइस अभी हम जा रहे हैं शिवड़ी, फिर से लिफ्ट आ चुकी है। तो गाइस अभी हम आए हैं परेल वड़ा पाव खाने के लिए। तो कुछ खाएगा? तो गाइस हमारा वड़ा पाव खा के हो चुका है। अभी हम जा रहे हैं वंश के घर पर। ये देखिए वंश और दादाजी। तो गाइस ये वंश ने हमें रसगुल्ला ला के दिया है। अभी हमने धंधे पे चमचम खाया और अभी
बड़ा वाला रसगुल्ला भी है।
बड़ा वाला रसगुल्ला ला के दिया है। हे गाइस राइट नाउ आई एम एट परेल। वी हैव कम हियर टू हैव डिनर। आई एम विथ माय मॉम। शी इज़ बीन आस्किंग मी टू take her out for dinner for 2-3 days. So finally it's a Sunday today, so we thought why not go today. So here's the Aditi restaurant that we are going to go. There is no place inside, so we have been asked to wait for 2 minutes, guys. The hotel is completely full. I'm not gonna have much because I have had enough since evening because as you can see, I had chum chum. I also had one rasgulla. I also had one vada pav. It's 8:30 in the evening. We are having our dinner too early. I usually have my dinner at 10 o'clock. So my stomach is half full. I'm just gonna give company to my mom. So guys, our food has been served. एक चपाती कर देना और ये कर देना और एक चपाती हाँ नहीं चपाती सांभर है। So guys, we have got the food, but I am not enjoying the food. Recently I had chicken tikka masala with my colleagues. I liked it very much. I was impressed by it, so I thought of ordering chicken tikka masala, but I did not like it, guys. Also, I wanted the roti in wheat, but they also have maida in it, so I did not like the tandoori roti. So I have ordered now chapati. Anyway, I did not like it, but I do not care because my mom has liked the food, so she is enjoying it, so I'm happy. So guys, मेरी चपाती आ चुकी है और ये है मेरी माँ खाना खाते हुए। कैसा है मम्मी खाना? अच्छा। So guys, we are done with our dinner. My mom wanted to have rice, but I did not want to have, so we did not take the rice. I asked my mom to have one chapati extra. So she has had 3 tandoori roti and bhaji. I have had 1 tandoori roti and 1 chapati with bhaji. And that's how we are wrapping our dinner, guys. And I'm not gonna let my mom to have.
sweet because she already has sweets at home. So this time we are not having sweets. Guys, we are done with our dinner. Now we're gonna head out to an ice cream shop because my mom wants to have an ice cream now. Here we are at ice cream shop. My mom wanted to have an ice cream, so I'm gonna let her eat ice cream, guys. I'm not gonna have ice cream because I have had too much sweet since morning. So guys, here's my mom having ice cream. We are done with the ice cream. Now we're gonna go to home and I'm gonna pick up my dad and go to the rented apartment. Guys, it's 10 in the night. I'm gonna go to Vadala now with my dad.